I see just the rains that taught my heart to fear and raise my fears relief. How precious is that grace appeared the hour I first believed. The Lord has promised good to me, and His word my hope secures. He my shield and portion, as long as my faith endures. When this flesh and heart shall fail, and mortal life shall cease, I shall possess within the veil a life of joy and peace. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Was blind, but now I see.
Tapos, another song. Oh, I'm gonna speak now.
You can do it.
Girl, why you laugh? Hi guys, I'm AJ. Beauty Heart. Beauty Heart at 20. First, I want to thank you guys for coming here. Alam niyo naman alam ko lahat kayo may plans with heart na hindi na natuloy. I don't really know how to start this, pero I just want to share on how we met. Na lang, siguro that's where I should start. So we're co-workers, right? Heart took a gap year, right? And then one time on our job kasi, once you have training, you have graduation. They are actually ahead ako sa team nila. So basically, they attended our graduation. That's when she first saw me. And then, yung mga friends niya, alam mo lang yung mga pinagkagagawa niya, pinagsabi na that time. And then, after nun, kalat-kalat na lang sa mga friends ko sa work na, uy, dun sa wave na yun or sa team na yun, may nakaka-crush na yun, whatnot, and ganyan. And I actually didn't care that time because I wasn't looking for anyone. And then, one time, nung nandun na siya pumasok na siya sa production and tried to like listen to me doing my calls. Kasama niya yung mommy niya sa work and then yung coach niya. And then, kasi before that, she's texting everybody na pala kung ano daw yung socials ko. And then, after that, kiningin ng coach niya kung ano yung Instagram ko. Like, kunwari, parang di ba tayo mutual sa IG? Ganto. Oh yeah. I'll take your IG. Bawal ang pen and paper sa loob ng production. So like, what I did is, I put it na lang sa notes dun for work, ganito ganyan. Kinuha ko yung IG niya, kunwari kinuha ko din yung sa coach niya, kinuha ko din kunwari yung sa mommy niya. And then after na, that's our very first interaction. Heart was really kind person and she's cute. Yan na agad ang first impression ko sa kanya. And after that, right after ng duty namin, lumapit siya sa akin, sabi niya, "Hi, I think I gave you my wrong username." That's what she said. And I was like, "Oh, really?" Sabi ko na, "Okay, let me just give you mine." And then she took my username and then naging what's na kami sa Instagram. And guess what? I checked my notes after that day. Her username is correct. So after nun, very fast lang, magka-develop na kami, we started talking, and yung mga ka-workmate namin, saksi, kung ano yung evolution namin sa work. She gave me the best year of my life. And siguro, gusto ko nang share yung love story na lang namin. And I never imagined na I would speak in front of a lot of people for her. And siguro hindi ko na masyadong hahabaan. But they say that we learn from our mistakes, right? But I want you to know that art isn't something that we learn about. Okay? Because what she did, what she's been doing is never a mistake, guys. She was never weak. Kayo na nakakilala sa kanya, you guys all know how strong this person are. Diba? Gusto ko na maalala niyo na heart is not a lesson to your life. She is not. She's a memory that you can keep. And you can keep within your hearts and your minds. Alam ko na every single one of you, you have specific memory of her. Like, pag nakita na kayo ng BFF, si Heart na yan. Pag nakakita kayo ng Snoopy, that's Heart. Once you see a baby's breath flower, that's Heart. And I hope, ngayon niya pa lang guys, may character na. Wala tayong mahanap na Xantrix Brielle. She's the only Xantrix Brielle on our lives. Bilang mo, birthday niya, pati that anniversary niya, guys, it's for main character talaga. So I hope, guys, hindi siya mawawala sa kalendaryo niyo and everything. Please, let us remember Heart. And she's not a lesson to learn. She's a brave, brave person. Yun lang, guys. Keep loving her. Thank you.
Okay guys, ako na naman. Yes, amen. So, ayun, ako po si Renee, yung kaibigan ng grade 12. So, nung grade 12 kasi, medyo weird din yung interaction din namin ni Heart. Kasi noon, parang uso nun si Taylor Swift. So, parang meron siya ng bagong album release. So, tinap niya ako sa shoulder noon. Kasi nasa likod ko lang siya. Sabi niya, "Do you know Taylor Swift?" Sabi ko, "Yeah." Tapos ayun, sabi niya, "I need to." Ganyan. Tapos Tapos, ayun, nag-start na yung friendship namin doon, ganyan. Tapos, after na magsisend na siya ng Justin Bieber memes sa akin, so medyo, yeah, ganyan siya. And so as I stand here pala, I realized na marami nagmamahal kay Heart and she loves every one of you talaga. So, ayun, my heart was a very, one of the very people na who really understood me. She was my sister that I never had. She made sure na I was loved, included, and feel safe, ganyan. Pag nararamdaman niyang na-OP na ako, kakausapin niya ako, tapos amin niya ako kung okay lang ba ako, gano'n. We understood each other's we understood each other so much talaga na we made each other's parts of ourselves, gano'n. Our friendship was something I can't fully describe. Kasi I've known her for only 2 years, pero parang I feel like we've known each other for a very long time. Ganyan. Pag kasama ko siya, parang na-show ko yung totoo kong sarili na parang hindi alam ng mga kaibigan ko mostly. She knew me inside and out. Inside and out. Ayun, tapos, siguro yung pinakamagandang memory siguro pinakamagandang memory na binigay niya sa akin is nung birthday ko, binigyan niya akong vibrator. Sabi niya, pabiro-biro pa sa akin, sabi niya sa akin, so this is yours, ganyan. I'll teach you naman, ganyan. Pero, paano ko niya gagawin yung vibrator kung malalaki kasi? Kasi, so, siya talaga, grabe siya talaga. So, miss ko talaga yung niya, yung parang outgoing personality. And lagi ko siyang kasama nagkaka-karaoke, ganyan. Ayun. Tapos, yung streak natin, i-restore mo na. Losing her was very, very hard sa akin. Hindi talaga nag-sink in sa akin, ganun. Pero, ayun na, nasa better place na siya, and ayun, I'll always miss her and always love her. So, ayun, I love you, Heart.
Hi, so ako si Erin, and actually mas kilala siguro ako ni Heart as Lay. We met nung bata pa kami, mga grade 3, I remember. At music school. That's a side of her na I don't think a lot of people know. Pero I don't remember much from music school, but I remember her. And alam ko na nung nag-stop kami with performances, for 5-6 years, we were, pero, I was lucky enough to meet her once. I was lucky enough to meet her twice. Kasi, nung lumipat siya sa school namin, doon ako nagpapansin, nakikita ko nagpo-post siya, tapos every post mag-react ako, hoping na nakatandaan niya ako. And she did. Tapos, di na siguro na-imagine gano'n ka-smart ako kasi one day, nung nagpa-perform kami for festival dance, nasaktuhan na magkasabay yung section namin. And she saw me, that she was shouting my name. And I ran to her. And it's like 5 or 6 years, never happened. Kasi she's still the same person na nakilala ko noon. Para sa kanya to, all the way from Manila. Tapos, sinat ko pa si Rose asking to make sure may favorite flowers niya kasi gusto na heart tayo agad. Pero sakto na lang na yung binigay sa akin was baby's breath. Tapos, I think honestly, buong time na umiikot ako sa Flower District, maybe dinaan na lang ako doon. Kasi, like, the person who arranged this for me, siya na yung mismo yung lumapit, did all the work. And I'm so happy na umabot ako dito to actually be able to give it to her. I think so many experiences from my life hindi siguro mangyayari without her. She pushed me to be a better person, to do more interesting things. I remember so many concerts na pinuntahan namin. From day one talaga, from performing together to seeing Leify together to watching Taylor's tour together. Hindi ba ka nag-stay para sa ito mga concerts na mangyayari? I don't know. Ang dami lang talagang experiences that are extremely originally hard na I can't attribute to anyone else. I remember her since I'm studying far away. Minessage niya ako one time ng gabi. Sa group chat namin, minention niya ako, Erin, dali na, gutom ako. And then sa self-appointed obligation, nagpabili siya sa akin ng McDo. Via that price. Tapos sabi ko, okay, send me your address. Tapos sabi niya, wait, really? Sabi niya, hindi siya makapaniwala. Tapos sabi ko, are you sure you don't want anything else? Sprite, McDo, kasi alam ko dun sila some of the things we love. Pero sabi niya, no, we get that price now. And I'm never going to regret the time I took out of 2 a.m. ata yun to buy her that. And I don't regret taking time out of my day either na 7 a.m. maghanap ng flowers, tapos magbiyahe all the way here just to see her one last time. Dapat may pasok ako today, pero na-cancel. I think siya yung may gawan. Thanks, girl. May performance dapat kami. Yeah. And every day siguro naghihingi ako ng sign from her. Maybe di ko lang din napapansin. Pero I know she is here. I can't believe that the person I grew up with won't grow old with me. But I'm not mad. I'm saying this now kasi siya din din nagpa-person to say na, oh, so you're mad at me. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I don't. I never will. I don't. Like, intindihan mo yun. I never will. Ilang beses ko sinulat yun sa letters ko. Ilang beses ko sinasabi everyday. Kapag ko siya to my other friends. I have so much love for her. And she's also, I don't think I've ever met someone with the kind of heart she has. Kaya siguro heart din ni Peña. She was born on the day of love. She's so full of love. And I think nag-reflect in this room right now. I'm going to miss her. And I think mga decades from now, I can't believe na at some point, makikilala niya ako sa 40-year-old, pero siya 19 pa rin. Pero pati maniwala. It's okay. As long as I get to meet her again. That's good enough.
My name is Enzo Miguel Ligaw. First of all, I'm honored po na hinihingi po ang chance mo. Kaklase ko ako ni Hartong Elementary, Montessori. Nung bata ako, hindi ko siya masyado ka-vibe naman. Magka-different kami talaga ng personality. Tapos, ayun, 7 years past, nangyari COVID, and one time, nag-vaccine ako sa SMC, umupo ako sa, and may kumalapit sa akin. Tapos, si Hart sabi niya, uy, Enzo, gawin siya. Tapos, ayun, nag-hi ako, after nun, she started reacting to all my posts and started commenting. Tapos, one day po nag-message ko sa akin na, do you play Valorant? Tapos, ayun, naglaro na kami. And hindi ko in-expect na, akala ko virtual lang kami sasama. Hindi ko in-expect na siya yung magiging first gala ko. First punta sa mga, madami po kami adventures. And she really did an impact on my life. Like, she did an impact to all our lives. She really pushed me to be better. Kahit ang tanga-tanga ko. And, tinatanong ako nila Tito Bambi tsaka Mr. Jacobs, nawala ako for a year. Nagka-fall out kami and she cut me out. Pero ever since nung nakatap ako, lahat ng mga decisions ko, yung mga pag may gagawin ako, palagi siyang nasa equation. And isa to, sa Miss Snoopy. Lalakad ako pauwi nun, wala akong pamasahe. Tapos nakita ko may parang ukay po, tapos nakita ko kagad si Snoopy. And naisip ko po kagad siya. Ever since then, I started buying loads of graphic Snoopy pictures. I just want to say thank you for all the adventures and the memories you give me. I'm sorry.
Hello. Thank you so much for all of you. And I'm your heart's friend. I'm grateful and so lucky to be her friend. I first met her from grade 12. We're classmates. And it's always been with her, you know. So lahat ng mga nakausap ko, family, friends, especially friends, yung naging first impression, yung lagi nilang kwento. Like, there's just this aura around her. Parang may radius eh, na pag siguro mga 20 meters ka, hindi ko na siya automatically. Kasi the way I first met her, sa room, sa very first weeks ng class, di pa kayo close. Kumikilala niya sa isa. Ngayon si Heart, sa right side niya, wala pa si Grace na nakatulog siya. Si Grace kilala ko na. And so that, and every day na nakikita ko siya, nadadala na si Grace. Araw na nadadala niya si Grace. Tapos si Grace, minsan, sabi na yan, natutulog lang siya minsan. So gagawin niya, nilipat siya sa kabila, sa left side niya, si Lorraine. Si Lorraine, nag-vibe sila. Tapos natutulog din si Lorraine, pagod. So, ngayon, pumunta siya sa harap, sina Charmaine, di ba? Kaya nasa harap niya, yan yung tanong ko, yun yung tinundumaran niya, yung tinundumaran niya yung Taylor's ko. Pag wala sila, so talagang 360 siya. Sinakot niya lahat, sakot lahat. Doon niya ako nakakausap ng gabi nila, hanggang sa tumatabi na siya sa akin, like, kung nag-uusap. And then I was fortunate enough to be her groupmate in grade 12 sa research. Dami namin pagdaan sa research. Ayun mga saksi namin. Research. Hanggang siguro ngayon, nag-arantaan niya. And then things happened sa amin. I was so proud of her kasi yung academics talaga was such a big thing for her. She always told us, she always told me na she wanted to like focus on academics, big thing, and come back. She wanted to prove something. She was passionate about something, and that's what I always like about her. And years passed, and you know, friends got busy. Iba na tayong circle, iba na tayong room, schools. Still, here and there, nag-usap tayo kami ng dito kami. Pero, I remember around this year, January, February, something happened, and then she kind of went MIA. Hindi naman ako ginosted doon, parang hindi mo lang siya makontak. I remember that. And ako never ako nagtampo. Kaya ako alam siya understand her. That's, I relate to her actually. And then around June, May, chat na siya bigla. Hi sis! Hi sis na hello po. Yun. Chat na siya bigla. Sa ulit, sabi niya, hi, bye na ako, let's meet up. And I love her, so yeah, let's go. And I actually don't remember yung first hangout namin. Pero yung talagang na-cement yung lalo yung friendship namin. Parang bumalik talaga kami is si Coach. Saksi si Coach nun, si AJ kami nun. Kasi gusto niyo masisantis sa birthday. So di siya pinapakawalan. So, di na siya pumapasok. The last day na yun, pumasok kami with AJ. Kasi I hanged out with her sa house nila. And then, pasok na si AJ. Tapos, syempre si Art spontaneous. Sabi tayo. Sumama kami sa work niya. Ay, nasasante na siya. Pero gumagana pa yung work niya. Tapos may dalawa pa siya.
Pangarap pa niya yung ganun.
Yung sa kanya, ginagamit niya yung gumagana. Sa akin yung kante. Ginawa namin para makapasok ako sa building. Pwede ba ito, Coach? Oh. Anyways, I have all these stories with her. I have all these stories where I have so many conversations with her. She would just call me, she would just rant. Alam niya, magsasanda siya magla ng everything. Every day, randomly, because maybe it was her way of checking on me. You know? And she doesn't have to say directly, but you know, she misses us. I knew I spent a lot of time with her. I talked to her a lot, but you know, no matter how many hours, days I talk here in front of you guys, it would not amount to anything. Needed to have much conversation I wish I could have with her. More conversations. I wish I would have called her more often. Dahil sa siya talaga yung narin ko pala yung service niya kayo. The hangouts I wish I went to, especially the last one, I couldn't go. Despite that, I like to think that at that moment, despite everything, you know, she knew deep down how she was. Ayong isipin na nararamdaman niya na naman. Wala siya. Every day I tried going here. I met so many people I've never met before that were friends. Her family, I got to know her family. I love you. And I realized she was so lovely. So I can't imagine during those moments she felt alone. She felt that no one loved her. No, you just can't accept that. That's why I realize more and more these days, every story and laughter from our friends and family. At the center of it all was heart. Lovely's personality. I loved her, and she loved me.
I'm Julia. Our college friends in art. So, nag-start college like July. So, hindi pa kami ganun katagal magkakilala. Pero, sobrang dami na namin na magdaanan kahit like 3 months pa lang kami friends kasi
every extra quizzes, kami magkasama, kami yung mag-review sa Makto. And then, pipilitan niya ako mag-order ng BFF fries. And ng Coke float kapag like, wala siyang cash, ako yung magbabayad, ganun. And then, ayun, first, punta ko sa bahay nila is para mag-review kami sa exam. Yan lang yung naging bonding namin. Parang ako yung naging apads buddy niya. Kasi ako yung lagi niyang kasamang ayun, mag-review. Sabay kaming matapos mag-take ng exam. Sabay kaming uuwi. Tapos, ayun, every time na pupunta ako sa kanila, mag-review na. And then, last kong punta sa kanila is October 31. Ayun. Yung time na yun, dapat kaming college friends na pupunta nun. But like, may ibang plans yung iba. And nung time na yun, nagdalawang isip ako if tutuloy ako kasi yun na kami dalawa lang. So, pero tumuloy pa rin ako kasi parang may urge sa akin na parang kailangan kong pumunta nun. Kailangan ni Heart ng friend na yun. Kasi parang matagal din rin ako sinachat na ilabas ko raw siya. Kailangan niya raw ng gala, ganun. So I know na may dinadamdam siya or something. Kaya nung time na yung pumunta ako, sumayaw kami, nag-usap kami about sa live, gano'n. And then dapat, nung time na yun, itutuloy namin yung second episode ng podcast namin. Kasi nagawa namin yung first episode nung una ko pupunta sa kanila, and then yung second, yun na dapat yun. And then nung time na yun, sinabi ko pa sa kanya na, ay, uuwi pa pala ako. Tapos nung sinabi niya sa akin na, dito ka na lang matulog. So, parang may part din sa akin na, sana tinay ko na lang yan. Sana doon na lang ako natulog sa kanya nung gano'n. Ayun lang. And, sobrang thankful ko kasi nalala ko siya kahit sobrang ikli pa lang nung time. Like, sobrang dami pa namin friends sa TikTok na hindi if like niyatwan niya kayo sa IG, ako yung lagi niyang kasama kapag may kalokohan kami na TikTok. Like yung gano'n. And yung mga basta gano'n. Tapos ako rin yung parang lately ako yung naging rant party niya din sa about APEX kasi sobrang stressful ng college, lalo na psychology. Ayun lang, mamimiss ko siya and ayun, lagi ko rin sinasabi sa na I miss Heart so much na like, yung pagka-crush out niya lagi. Yung gano'n niya. Gano'n niya lagi. Nahilig siya sa gano'n. Tapos, ayun. Yes. And may pasok kami kahapon, tapos, ayun, feeling ko absent lang siya. Hindi na yung absent na rin siya, ayun. Ayun lang. I love her so much, and I will never forget her and our memories together. Kasi sobrang nag-impact sa life ko na every time na magda-doubt ako sa self ko, yung nakakakuha ko ng low scores, siya lang na yun nandiyan to remind me na I did so well. Na enough yung ginawa ko para makakuha ng ganong score kasi like hindi naman siya mababa pero kasi knowing na ako, grade conscious, andyan siya lagi to remind me na sobrang enough yung ginawa ko. And ayun. Kaya, namimiss ko siya ng sobra. Kaya, I love you.
Hello, ako yung friend ni Heart, yung grade 11. So, I've known her for 4 years now. Ako si Angel.
So, nung nalaman ko na wala na si Heart, hindi talaga ako makapaniwala. Ay, even sinend ko nga ng message si AJ, sabi ko, pwede mo mag-send ka ng video ni Heart? Hindi ko makapaniwala. Tapos ngayon, kukwento ko sa inyo paano ko na-meet si Heart. So, yung first encounter ko kay Heart is yung enrollment. Yung ID picture taking. And then nakita ko, may color yung hair niya. Eh kapag kasi tinaking pictures sa Holy, bawal ka nung may color sa hair. So, nung na-notice ko siya kasi parang nagreklamo yung tao doon na bakit, ba't may hair color ka? And then nakita ko siya nagdadabog siya ng gano'n. So, hindi ko expect na, ay, kaklase ko pala siya. Tapos ayun, ngayon, ewan ko anong weeks na yun, nung after yung grade 11 na yun, bigla siya lumapit sa akin, sabi niya, hey, ang ganda-ganda mo, pwede ba ako mag-picture sa'yo? Tapos nagulat ako, ay, ito pala yung nasa sa ID taking picture. Tapos ko, sige. Long hair pa ako nun, tapos yung hair niya napaka-wavy, tapos nakaganda na siya sa akin, please. Sabi, ayun. Tapos after nung picture na yun, doon na kami naging malapit. Lagi siya nag-reply sa mga story ko, lagi siya nag-react. And then, na-feel ko yung love niya kasi hindi ako ganun ka-hype ng mga friends ko kapag nagpo-post ako and siya lang yung gumagawa nun sa akin. And nung nalaman ko na wala na siya, sabi ko, shit, sino na mag-reply sa mga story ko? And ayun, yung pinaka-memorable na memories ko kay Heart is nung ang birthday ni CJ, yung sa Rustica, may lalaki kasi doon. Sunod siya ng sunod sa akin, yung staff. And then parang naiirita na ako nun kasi lagi yan tinatanong ng FB ko. May lumapit sa akin ng paper, tinatanong ng FB ko. And then pumunta ako sa CR, sinundan ako ng guy na yun sa CR. And then sinubok ko siya kay Heart. Wala kasi akong bravery para magkuprop ng tao. And then ayun, bigla na ako sinabihan na subong ko siya sa mama ni CJ kasi hindi ko kaya nahihiya ako yung sirain yung birthday nga ni CJ. And then ayun, bigla siyang, naging protector ko siya. Siya lang nagsabi sa akin na, hindi, kailangan mo isumbong yan, kailangan natin i-report yan. Parang kasing inaano din ako ng guy, parang sinusundan niya ako anywhere. Parang hindi ako sobrang comfortable that time. Pero ayun, kinonfort niya ako and binigyan niya ako ng lakas para magsumbong. And I think, yun yung memory ko kay Heart. Matapang siya tao. And in-influence niya rin ako maging matapang na tao. Ayun. Tapos, memories namin sa how is, may goal kasi kami. Di ba maraming mga cafe sa Angeles. And then, ayun, yung memories namin is, bawat coffee is pupuntahan namin. And then, wala namatay. Hello. Ayun, yung memories ko sa kanya is, bawat cafe sa Angeles ay pupuntahan namin. Pero nung ma-realize ko na wala na siya, kanino na ako pupunta with, pupuntang cafe, sino nang sasamahan ko. Kasi every time na lumalabas kami, out na namin sa school, banding namin ni Heart is magkape. Ayun. And then, one time nun, gusto niyang ipatry sa akin yung matcha. Yung lasa ng damo nun. Ganun yung thought ko that time. Lasang damo yun kayo, ayoko. And bigla niya akong pinush sa Starbucks. Sabi ko na eh. And then, ayun. Sabi ko, hindi ko na lang mag-order. Tikim na lang ako. And that time, 4 kami. So, nag-order lang siya ng isang matcha. Alam niya yung straw, 4 na straw. Kumikot na kami ko. And then, ayun, nagustuhan ko yung matcha dahil sa kanya kasi pinatikim niya sa akin. Oh, masarap lang pala. Hindi naman pala siya lasang damo. And then, ayun. Heart, sobrang proud ko sa'yo. And I'm sorry kung hindi ako nakapunta sa mga ayaw na gusto mo. I'm sorry, sana nang tumakas na lang ako nun eh. And I hope you're happy. Thank you so much po.
Hello everyone, I'm Kate Castrillo. So, friends, nakilala ko si Heart through AJ kasi friend ko si AJ nung senior high school. And very close kami. So, yung first time na nakilala ko si Heart is actually, nakita ko na lang na may post si AJ na girl and may nag-follow sa akin sa Instagram. And then, for context lang, psychology student din ako. And kailangan ko ng client, kailangan ko ng mag-take ng mga intelligence test, personality test. So, nireach out ko si AJ. Tinanong ko, hi, nag-aaral ko ba si Heart sa poly? Ganyan. Basta naman ko, di na pala siya nag-aaral sa poly. Pero, wala talaga akong mahanap ng client. So, sabi ko, magpanggap ka na naman taga-holy ka din. Or gagawin kita client. Then, pumayag siya. So, ayun yung pinaka-first na kita namin. Na kahit di pa kami nag-uusap ng matagalan, parang kilala ko na siya for a long time. And during yung mga personality test, IQ test, kahit may prof na nagbabantay, tumatawa lang kami. To the point na pinagduwanan na kami. And after nun, kapag umalabas kami, hindi kami masyado nagpipicture. Like, very limited lang. Pero nare-remind lang kami na mag-picture kasi mahilig mag-picture si Heart. And nung time na I got the news na mag-aaral ulit siya sa Olfu and taking psychology. Hindi ko ma-express kung gaano ako ka-proud sa kanya. Knowing na kung ano yung pinagdadaanan niya. I'm so proud of her. Ginawa ko din kasi siya ng case analysis eh. Kaya alam ko yung pinagdaanan. So, I'm very proud ako sa kanya kasi like, pinagdadaanan ko yun, pero nakaya mo pa din mag-college. And yung nag-take siya ng exam sa Olfu, lagi ako nag-message sa kanya na I'm so proud of her. And yung compliment din, kapag sa social media, feel ko yung presence niya kasi lagi siyang may story or if ever man ako may story, siya yung nag-reply. And yung talagang tumatak sa akin is yung last messages sa akin, which is so hard kasi nung Halloween party, I dress up as a cat and then ang final message niya sa akin is tingawagan niya akong furry. And then walang context and ayun lang. Pero during na short time, hindi man lang kami nag 1 year magkakilala. Talagang nag-click kami as if parang kapatid ko siya. Meron siyang special place sa heart sa heart ko. Kaya kapag niyayaya niya ako mag-yogurt, lagi akong gym. Pero minsan, di ako nakakapunta kasi sobrang busy na or minsan, hindi kami nakapag-set kasi siya naman busy. Pero either way, nakakapag-make time na naman kami kapag nag-work and si Heart din yung bukay bali ko. So, may one time na nagbukay kami sa Achilles. So, tapos nag-brown out. Nag-brown out, tapos pinicturean niya ako. Nakatawa lang, baka may kasama sa picture ko. Pero, nung una nalaman ko yung news about my Heart, namhina talaga ako kasi mali lang akala ko siguro. Mali lang akala ko. Pero right now, nandun na rin ako sa stage na ina-accept ko na mas peaceful na siya ngayon and wala nang tumugulo sa utak niya. And sana gumising ka na dyan. Kasi mag-yogurt pa tayo. Ayun. Okay, so hi guys. So my name is Kelsey. I was OA. So I'm actually the communications coach of Dwayne, AJ, my brother, and Heart was in. So technically for context, una ko nakilala was yung si AJ, and of course through my brother kasi si Heart din mo siya kilala. And one thing I always told myself sa work is I will never get close to anyone. Oy! Burn ka! So, nakilala ko si Heart at a random time actually. So as a comm coach, I was not just a comm coach, I was everything in between, you name it. And during that time, I met Heart in a very, very lowest point as being a coach. Because being a coach, you really have to be strong for people. You have to really be there for your pupils. You have to teach them. You have to be there emotionally to gain them up. So I was not feeling it during the day I met Heart. Lumaban ako noon sa isang speed mentoring contest for our account. And the truth was I was supposed to back out. I didn't want to attend the contest noon because mga feeling magaling dyan, sinabi nila sa akin 5 minutes na contest na. So I was not prepared for anything. I did not have any materials ready. But then pinilit nila ako. I really wanted to give up during that time, saying na hindi ako mag-attend. And then there was this sudden urge na, okay, fine. Yes, sabak. Kaya ko naman. Feeling magaling ako eh. Char. So, 5 minutes pababa ako, that's when I started preparing what I was going to present. And I'll be honest, yung mga nag-attend doon na mentors, wala akong ka-close. Mukha lang akong sociable, pero the anxiety is giving anxiety. Alright, so, Heart was one of the mentees. Walang pakilala doon. So you'll just go, you'd either seated around the table. As mentors, we're seated around the table, and all the mentees would go around, and you only have 5 minutes. 5 minutes to talk to that mentee. So everyone that came before Heart was either not interested, or they were just there to thought na mapropromote sila. So it did not give me any impact. And then when Heart sat down, she just looked at me. She looked at me, smiled like, okay, okay. I was just discussing everything, and during that time, to be honest, kini-question ko na nga kung lahat ng pinag-discuss ko sa lahat ng dumaan sa akin was naiintindihan nila ako. Kasi no one paid attention, like for real, you definitely know kung hindi nag-pay attention yung tao eh. Pero Heart, she was just smiling at me, and bakit ako feeling ko, is she doing this kasi mukha na akong tanga dito? And then that was her example, she's like, okay, yeah, okay, yeah. And then until I asked her, are you okay? And then she's like, I have anxiety, I don't even know why I'm here. And then I told her the same thing, well, I don't know why I'm here either. And then that time, she was the only one who stayed after 5 minutes. And she asked for my name that no one did not care about to ask. She just asked for it, and I'll be honest, I appreciate her because as a coach, having someone who would really pay attention, listen to you, is something that is an achievement. And as someone who looks for achievement in everything as validation, sobrang appreciate ko si Heart during that time because I questioned myself as a coach. During that time, sobrang na-appreciate ko si Heart for listening. Yung last words nga lang na nasabi ko is, see you around, sabi ko, and good luck. Kasi nakwento niya, she was in training. So I didn't make any of it until na parang ilang days lang, I saw her sa locker ko. Tuloy ko siya sa locker, and then she just said, oh, Kelsey! You look family! You look family! And then I did not even know that that would be something that I'd look forward to every time I go to my locker. And then, doon ko na tinuturuan sila AJ. So, dito papasok yung kaharatan nila ni AJ. Okay. So, at first, I did not know sa akin mapupunta si Hart. So, nadidiscuss ko sila, nadidiscuss ako sa kapatid ko, nadidiscuss din ako sa AJ. But I had a list of my next batch, which was yung class nila Hart. But I was not able to meet them noon because I did not have time to introduce myself to that class right away. And I will be honest with you, sobrang laking character development na bigay ni Art kay AJ. Guys, sobrang nonchalant ni AJ, nahihirapan akong mag-discuss kay AJ. To the point na, AJ, are you still with me? She was not the talkative type. Hindi ka niya lalabisan, she keeps to herself. So, there was this one time, pop-up kasi ako sa locker ko. And then nakita ko yung dalawa mo katabi. Very cuddly, very giving not the mirror. Right? And they were embarrassed. Right? But at that same day, I don't know, something just clicked in me that I protected you. Because I definitely know, we all know if you, well, judging naman sa mga nakikita ko, we do have people who study, people who go to work, and I'll give you a heads up, BPO is not for the weak, guys, ha? It's not for the weak. So, I definitely knew sa puso ni Hart, and I just met her for 5 minutes, ha? And I definitely need to protect Hart and AJ. So, doon na nag-start na every time no one understood Hart, we definitely know Hart kung gaano siya ka-diva, and to crash out, she's the best crash out girlie we'd ever have, and no one understood that. And I was the one there to watch her. Okay. I was the one to watch her achieve. Every minor inconvenience she had, she'd go to my station, and I just dropped everything. I'd stop working, which I don't normally do because I don't even take break and lunch just to work. And then having to go to her, she's very persistent. She'd go be like, Kelsey! Kelsey, are you working? Now, obviously, I am. And then she'd be like, Kelsey, look, I have stick alone. Chelsea, I'm hungry. Chelsea, kailangan na gano'n McDonald's. And she was someone na hindi mo ma-expect makaka-close mo kasi during that time. And I'd be honest, she was the reason I did not give up on being a good coach as well. Because when you see people like that, it means you're doing a good job. During that time, we would always go to my station and see, let's say, as a coach, nakakapagod kasi. And sometimes she won't even say anything, she just go there and chika, or she just go there and let me know na, Chelsea, I'm proud of you. Which yung sa akin ay rarely sure. So having to have Hart was like having a sister I ever wished for. To be honest, getting to know Hart even more within a span of 1 year made me see myself in her at some point. From every small detail she provided me, everyone called her my little twin. Because I was gonna throw hands at her if anyone touched her, for real. So I did not let anyone harm Hart. Until I realized that Hart was someone protecting me and taught me that I didn't have to keep fighting all the time. And that I could actually make time for myself. Kasi siya na naman nagdidemonyo sa akin, Kelsey, I saw something in a coffee shop, I wanna go to Jungle Bay. Kelsey, something here, I wanna go to this little pop-up. Until I saw little interactions that I cherished so much because I saw that she was not just protecting what I had, I was not just protecting what she was, but I definitely knew deep down she was healing something in me, especially my inner child. So, to be honest, I feel like everything was in Hart's past. each and one of us here, because I noticed that Heart had an impact. And knowing Heart, she got her way, and with hearing all the stories here, she definitely got her way na siya yung talagang unang lumapit talaga sa atin, guys. Without knowing that she would actually be a very big impact in her life. I always told her that I would always be proud of her as an ate. Because every small detail, kahit na may mapulot lang siya sa Southern naman, sasabihin niya pa sa akin. Pumasa siya sa Olfo, tinawagan niya ako sa trabaho. Kelsey, pumasa ako Olfo. Nag-psych ako because she knew as well na yung dream ko patuloy ng college was to go take psychology as well. We had the same dream. She held to that as well. Kahit yung minor inconvenience sa college life niya, alam ko, yung exams na nga lang niya na mag-crash out siya. Hindi ko mag-guess na mag-crash out siya, pero tumatawa pa din siya. And I don't even know how I could even remove myself from getting the mannerism like, dahil isisipin niyo coach ako, I kept doing that kasi hindi ko ma-realize yung favor. So how am I gonna move on from that? So, I guess I really, it hurts to see na deep down Heart really thought walang more stuff niya. But a lot really did. I don't even think kompleto tayo when I feel like we're even more. So parang, I feel like, although the world was too tough on her, she was the toughest person we've ever seen as well. And I do believe that up there, feeling ko nga she's up there looking at us saying she's still proud of us pa din eh. Like, guys, you're so strong. I'm so proud of you boosting us up, right? But I guess that was hard. She was the most toughest little ball of sunshine I ever met with a little bit of spunk. And unfortunately, we got a diva down, guys. Diva down. So, I'm really thankful that although the mga times na nag-run siya was very thinking she had no one, visiting almost every day here, trying to make time talaga for her during the last week. I love seeing different faces. Na late lang na-realize ni Heart that she really made an impact on everyone. So yun, diva down.